how to insert a signature into Adobe Acrobat. This is for document signing. First thing we need is an image of our signature. You can write this on a piece of paper and take a picture with your phone and upload it onto your computer or email it to yourself. You can see we need to remove the background. So to do that, we're going to use Microsoft Word. Create a blank document and insert your picture from wherever it is saved. I have a sample signature on the desktop, so we'll use that. Once your picture is in Word, the first thing you want to do is crop the unnecessary areas out of it. I'm happy with that. The next step is to use some of our picture tools. Inside Microsoft Word, you'll find these tools on the Picture Format menu. They will all become available when you select your image. To start, I'll use the Corrections menu, and as you can see, we have various effects. I'm going to choose that one, which, as you can see, has cleaned up a fair amount of the background, but there is still some noise we need to remove. So another tool that we can use is the Artistic Effects tool, and I'm going to choose that effect. As you can see, my signature is nice and clean and ready to be added into Adobe. We want to save our signature as an image, and to do this, you can right-click on it and choose Save as Picture. For now, I'm just going to leave mine on the desktop as Picture 1. You may want to save this document for future use. The next step is to go into Adobe. I'm going to open a sample PDF. And to insert your signature, we'll go to the Tools menu and we'll choose Fill and Sign. Then, on the top menu, you'll choose Sign Yourself. Any existing signatures will be in this list. I'm going to remove those. You'll click on Add Signature, and you'll choose it from an image that we have saved. Once you're happy, we will apply that, and your signature will immediately become available to be inserted into your PDF documents. If you select your signature, you can resize it or you can delete it. To get back to the Tools menu, we can either use the Fill and Sign shortcut on the right-hand side of Adobe Reader, or we can click on the Tools menu and choose Fill and Sign. To add your saved signature, you'll again click on Sign Yourself, and as you can see, we can just drag it in. You can also add initials, which will be added in a stylized font, like that. You can change the style as well. We'll apply that and insert it. Now, when you save your PDF document, it will save your signature along with it.